Hello stackers! Today, I'm challenging you to join us on stacking silver and gold. Stay tuned for details. Please note that the opinions expressed in this video are my own. I am not a financial expert nor a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Thank you all for joining me. In the past 2 weeks, I have accepted 2 challenges and I want to invite you to join in on them. Challenges are a good motivation for stacking and will make your progress faster. These are easy to do and just require a little discipline. The first challenge I accepted is from Freedom Stacker. The link to his challenge video is in the description. The challenge is to save $35 US per week for stacking. His plan will allow you to stack silver and gold. If you are interested in joining this challenge, make a pledge in the comments below. It will be fun to see how many of us will be doing this. I decided to set the goal to 50 Canadian dollars for myself. The real conversion would come closer to $45, but I prefer to put a $50 bill aside each Monday just to keep it simple. So there you are, sires and ladies. Thou have been challenged. The second challenge I accepted was from another overtaxed taxpayer. Again, the link to his challenge video is in the description below. His challenge is pretty simple. Put money aside to purchase a gold coin. The type of coin you purchase is up to you and your budget. I think it's a fun way to add some gold to our precious metal stacks. I set the bar low for myself and decided to go for a 1/10 of an ounce maple leaf. This will make my gold stack go from 2 grams to 5.1 grams. I am focused on silver right now until the prices change, but a bit of gold is something I decided upon when I made my plan last month. What are your goals? Will you accept this challenge? Let us know in the comments below. The challenge has been issued. Will you be joining us? Before you all go your separate ways, I just want to let you know what I have in the works for the upcoming videos. First, I want a giveaway and I just received it, so I will make a short video about it. Second, I just made a purchase from a large dealer and I will be doing an unboxing of what I purchased for your viewing pleasure. I will also make a review of that dealer and will update the review I did about Silver Gold Bull with more information. I have another community spotlight video in the works. I think you will be loving the person who will be featured next. I am still on track to release 2 videos a week for now. Let me know in the comments what topics you would like me to cover. On that, I wish you all a great day and I hope you will join me on both challenges. And remember, if you are not stacking, you are failing.